Everyone, it's Connie from Thoughts to Treasures, and today we have a quick, cute Dollar Tree project. All the items, and you can actually, well, besides the flower I didn't get from Dollar Tree, I actually got that from Temu, but that's okay. But we're just going to use the Waverly Chalk paint in Fern, and we're going to give this pumpkin. This pumpkin actually had a football on the front of it, and we did take that off just by soaking a wet paper towel on top, and it actually comes right off. So quick tip, if you guys don't know how to get that off, soak it with the wet paper towel and it comes off. So we're just going to give it a good coating with the green on the front, on the sides, and on the back. And again, like I said, this is just a quick home decor fall piece for your home this season. And if you like gnomes, it's even better. And give it good drying. I did give it 2 coats on each side because the one coat this is more like that MDF material, so it's, well, not kind of, it probably is. So it kind of soaked in the first layer, and I wanted it that nice green color. So this is the little metal gnome. It had a little hanger on it. We took that off. I'm putting here a piece of felt, doesn't matter, don't worry about it, you won't see the color, so that it has the little Jenga blocks that I'm putting on, it has something to adhere to rather than the metal, because we're going to lift this up a little bit off of the pumpkin to give it a little depth, little, I guess let's just use the correct craft terms, you know, give it some height to it. Dimension, there's the word, that's what I was thinking of. See, words never come to me. So I'm just going to glue these little Jenga blocks on the back, and I didn't even paint them because you're really not going to see them. And then I'm just going to adhere this gnome to the pumpkin. It fit perfect, it was a great size, so why not make a little decor piece out of it? Now you could leave it just like this, but nah, we got to add some raffia to it. So I did just cut some raffia, and I actually used the hula skirts, and I pick up a bunch during the summer at the Dollar Tree, and tying it with some twine to make a bow. And we're going to glue that to the top and add a flower to it. We're going to call it a project. It's a great shelf sitter for the for the fall season. If you guys are interested in more crafts like this, please give my page a follow. Would hope this inspired you to make something like this. And remember, sprinkling, spreading, sharing, all those words, this video out will help us greatly, and we would appreciate it. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed.